Hi, I'm Spenser Miller-Fellows, Director of Enablement at Revenue.io. Today, I'm going to show you Conversation AI and highlight how it enables one of the key differences between a standard rep and one of our top performers. One of the things that separates top reps from the rest of the pack is their ability to follow through after the call. That begins by ensuring that they've got a strong understanding of what happened during the call, challenging their assumptions to see whether or not that actually matched reality, and then using the transcript from the call as a single source of truth from that moment forward. So let's start by taking a look at one of the calls that we've had recently. So you can see here that we have a call pulled up with one of our customers that happened to be a demo. And in this case, we had about an hour's worth of conversation. In that time, that's so much information to parse through and try and retain going into the next part of the sale. So in order to really make efficient use of time, our top performers will come in and they'll begin by listening to probably about 5 minutes just to start understanding the difference. You really want to focus on the customers so you're able to sort out the different speakers through the call and locate when they were speaking at any given moment. That allows you, by then changing the speed, to more effectively and efficiently use your time to understanding what the customer said and how they're actually responding to the types of questions you were asking. Now, if you want to get a little bit more granular, you can also see what are the questions that I asked during this call. You can jump in, see what I asked, what was asked of me, and anyone else that was present. The conversation on our platform is searching the transcript for instances of questions and is able to serve those up. You can then also search the transcript of the call, which is especially important if you are looking for, say, instances of budget or authority or different parts of a methodology or qualification criteria that you're using and need to make sure you've accurately documented, not just for your own management's purposes, but to ensure that you know what the next step of the deal is going to entail. Finally, it allows you to really challenge your assumptions, because when you are listening to this call again, you're able to see if the tone with which the customer said matched the reality of how you interpreted it and move the conversation forward. Finally, it allows you to see sort of a single source of truth of what may have occurred. So let's say you talked about price in this call. You're able to bring that up immediately through the transcript functionality and see what price was used, which is especially important if later on in the deal cycle, the customer isn't sure about what price you may have quoted originally. All of these things together ensure that top AEs are able to really go in and have an accurate sense of what occurred during the call and then take the appropriate actions to follow it up. For further information on this and other features of the Revenue.io platform, visit us at Revenue.io and check out our Success Center at support.revenue.io.